this video, I'm going to show you how to remove a tap that has no screw. Let's get straight into it. Welcome back to another Inspire DIY video. If we haven't met, hi, I'm Kent. Are you needing to dismantle a tap that has no retaining screw, no apparent way of removing it, either for a change of style or what we're doing, replacing the tap washers? There is a way, and I'll show you how to do it. First off, let's turn off the water. With the water turned off to the house, open up the taps and drain the lines. Now we can remove these taps to change the washers. Before you start dismantling your taps, put your plug in the plug hole, because if you're anything like me, you're guaranteed to drop something down that plug hole. So some of these taps have a little grub screw around the back that can be undone with an Allen key. If they don't have a grub screw around the back, then they'll be the type that unscrews. Sometimes you can just twist them off, sometimes they're really tight. Okay, that's undone by hand. So what we need to do is open that tap all the way up until it stops. And then we can open up this tap cover or tap hood. Some of these taps are on quite tight. What you might need to do is get a rag so you don't damage the stainless steel or the chrome. Put it on there and then put a pair of grips on to loosen it. Same again, undo the tap all the way to the top, and then you'll be able to undo the hood and get your wrench on the tap down the bottom there. You'll be able to get your, what's this called? What's this thing? Wrench. Having a look at that fibre washer, it's in pretty good condition. It's a little bit squashed. What I'd be inclined to do is replace this Teflon thread seal tape or plumber's tape, or PTFE, or whatever the long chemical name is for that. Wrap it around the thread clockwise. Which is the same direction that it's going to be screwed back into the fitting there. Go around 5, 6, 7 times. Okay. Replace it with your new washer. And reinstall. Tighten it up nice and firm, but you don't need to go overboard. Then replace the tap hood, screwing it down nice and snug. You don't need to put it on with tools or anything, just hand tight, and then close the tap. We've just replaced that washer with a standard 12mm washer. We'll do the same on this one. Once your water's back on, open up the tap and just run your tap until there's no more air coming out, just a steady flow of water. Check in the cabinet that you've not got any leaks, because sometimes undoing these, especially with a spanner, can affect those pipe connections underneath, so just double check. Perfect, now that tap's nice and easy to turn on and off and there's no more drip. I've got to get out of this bathroom because it's roasting hot. Thanks for watching. Hey, if this video's been helpful, give it a thumbs up. I appreciate that, and we'll see you on the next video.